In this video, we're dealing with a value that's not one of our exact values that we remember. For tangent, those exact values would be things like 0, 1, square root of 3, and square root of 3 over 3. And 0.8 doesn't check any of those boxes. So what that means is we're going to have to use technology here to approximate it, but we still are going to follow the problem the same way. We're still going to find the reference angle. We're still going to find the reference angle. So what angle in the first quadrant gives us a tangent of 0.8? This is where we can approach our calculator and make sure that we're in radian mode and then do inverse tangent of 0.8. And that will give us our angle, which to 4 decimal places is 0.6747. Once we have the approximate answer, we're going to follow the same process that we did in the last example, where we found the reference angle and then put it into the right quadrants. And that's what we're going to do here. We're going to put the reference angle, theta r, into the quadrants where tangent is positive. Remember, tangent is positive in the first and third quadrants. So we're going to take and put that reference angle into the first and third quadrants and then use that to solve for theta. So in the first case, when you're in the first quadrant, it's just that angle. In the other case, where the second angle is in the third quadrant, so we're going to have to add, say, well, third quadrant, that's pi plus that angle, which would be roughly 3.8163. 3.8163. And now we've solved the equation. Those are our solutions just in 0 to 2 pi. If we wanted all the solutions, we could say, well, it's going to be that plus really any multiple of 2 pi, those two answers. And actually this one, if you needed all the solutions, you could actually abbreviate it. Since you see here, they're basically a half turn about the circle. So all of our solutions actually could be expressed as just theta plus any multiple of pi. Plus any multiple of pi would actually do it. So sometimes with the tangent, you'll have that kind of perfect storm where they're exactly a half turn. Your two solutions are a half turn. So if you're looking for the general ones, you can actually get by just saying theta plus pi times k. All right? Any half turn from one of those, for the first one, will actually take you to all the possible answers. But here we're just looking at them for 0 to 2 pi.